Hello, Paul again here from M.F Automotive. Just finished the wiring. Just want to show you how I do the wiring here. So look how neat and white. This is the wiring that we use. There's only one wire I ran, but I ran out of the smaller harness protection sheath outside, so I had to use a bigger one. Doesn't matter, it looks nicer. So if you see, it all looks like a wiring harness from factory. Under here, goes up there, goes under there, goes under here, goes under there, goes to there, goes around there, and goes to the other side there. Alright, like most of the time I always spend more time trying to do this to make everything looks good. At the same time, none of the wiring will be damaged in the future or short to earth or something damaged and cause some problem in the future. So it's always good to finish the job at the same time, do the job properly. So most of my wiring harness looks like this when I do a sport exhaust, black view cameras, reverse cameras, everything have to be done like this, the factory standard. Otherwise people won't know what you've done and they end up damaging the wire. But this is the best way to do it. Takes longer, but it's done properly. Alright, so now we'll do one more test. Okay, start up. Turn it off. Alright, everything's fine. Take the car for a spin, make sure there's no rattle, make sure the headlight's on properly, come back, double check all that, and then put everything back together. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.